Now, Abdallah, what is this? A
book.
Where is a book here? Take the sticker for the book. Okay, place it there where you have the book. No. Put it the right way, darling.
Oops.
Print awareness.
How?
He has to put it the right way. Let me see. Yes. Turn it. Turn. Look at the book. Make sure you match it to this one.
Turn it.
Very good. Now you can place it. No.
No.
Yes. Clap for Abdallah. Good job.
My turn.
What's this?
Pencil.
Okay, where is the pencil sticker?
There.
Take it out and put it the right way.
Okay.
Make sure it matches the picture you're putting it on.
Okay.
Awesome. Clap for Ivy. Nice. Abdallah, what is this? What's this?
That's a crayon.
Okay. Look at it very well.
Look at it.
Not like that.
Wait, no.
Turn.
No.
Turn it the other way.
Turn it the other way.
Very good.
Put it on.
Awesome. And Ivy, your turn. What is that? What is this?
Teddy bear.
All right, teddy bear. Where is the sticker for teddy bear?
There.
Put it the right way.
Okay. Here it comes.
All right, this is part of print awareness, how objects are placed. Also with the writing, you do this with the letters as well as pictures. They need to understand the right way to match and to place objects. All right, good job, everyone. That's one. You match it to what? Can you match it properly?
Match it, pup.
Again. Good job. Count the other one. Where is 2? Nice job. And 3. Clap for yourself. Well done.
I want to know the 5 one and the 4 one.
Yeah, count. Easy. Busy.
Easy peasy.
Okay, good job. Ivy, it's your turn.
Turn again. What check is the
Can you read
letter
it? Read it again so you can find it easily.
A, B, C, D, E,
F.
F.
Good. Now look for letter F.
F is like this.
Where is letter F? Put it on V.
What check is the V?
Put it on V. Not like that.
How?
Yes, like that.
Abdallah?
Put it properly.
Abdallah?
Not like that. Put it like V.
Like this?
Yes, like that. Good job. D.
What's checking D?
Letter D. A, B, C, D. Okay.
A, B, C, D.
Where is D?
D?
Yes, D.
D.
All right, take it and fix it. D. Is that D? All right, good job. So practically, this is just what I think is the best to help them learn how to make choices and color as well as writing. Okay, writing skills is very difficult really, but it takes practice and a lot of other activities like this to help a child improve in their handwriting skills. Now,
Mommy,
you give them the option
I'm finished.
to choose. You give them the option to choose colors as they like, as
You
well
know
as the objects that
You
they
know
color.
my
The
iPad
pictures
is
that they
now
color.
broken.
Good job, guys.
My iPad.
Doing a great job. Okay, make another one.
I almost did one.
Up. No, you start from the top.
I did that. I didn't did the top. So no, I did the top.
Good job. Thank you.
Mommy, can I see Finished.
No, it's not clear. I can see it. Try again. From up, down. Beautiful. And the other one, up, down. And then, can you cross?
And now.
Oh my God. Abdullah, hold on. This way. Can I have your hand? From up, the point here. We go down. You follow the dot. And from up here.
No, you did the wrong look.
Okay, I will do it right now. And here down. And then what you do? You cross it. Now make this one.
Whoop.
You can do it. Good boy. Good job. And the other one?
I did a E and a X over the A.
Abdullah, it's not clear. I can't see anything. But you tried. You did well. It's
See
very
close,
all right.
see close.
Make another one.
See close.
I can see. It's close.
I know.
Go ahead. Make the other one.
I did almost all of it. I did two.
Good job. Make another one.
I did two.
Now make this one.
This I did two.
Yes. Make the third one. 3.
Whoop. No.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I did the one more.
Abdullah. Oh.
It fell down and bumped.
Oh, good. P. Ivana, your turn. P. Q.
Abdullah, what is
Q.
Q.
Good job. IV. R. Abdullah. S.
Good teamwork.
Next letter. T.
T, my turn.
U. V.
My turn. I'm from V. I'm gonna
W.
win the challenge.
X. X.
I'm gonna win the challenge.
Y.
I'm gonna win the challenge. No, not
Put it
you.
properly. Good
I'm
job.
gonna win the challenge.
And Z. Clap for yourself. Well
And
done.
it's